History of Islam. Discover Islam's rich tapestry, a faith born in the 7th century Arabian desert. Prophet Muhammad, Islam's founder, revolutionized societal norms. His revelations formed the Quran, Islam's sacred text. It guides millions in spirituality, morality, and law. Islam rapidly expanded beyond Arabia. Through trade and conquests, it reached Africa, Europe, and Asia. The Islamic Golden Age fostered advancements in science, arts, and philosophy. This era deeply influenced modern civilization. Today, Islam is the world's second-largest religion. Its teachings of peace, charity, and faith continue to inspire. Explore the journey of this enduring faith.